if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. I usually do makeup, beauty related videos like reviews, tutorials, and in general positive videos. Alright, so this video, as you've seen already from the title, I'll be doing a full face using only the LA Pro makeup. If you've been following me, you've seen I already did a few videos reviewing like separate products and doing wear tests and all, and I absolutely love those products, especially this fiber mascara, like mind-blowing. I think I'm just gonna start from a base. Usually I start from the eyes, from the eyeshadow, but I think today I'm just gonna start from a base because we already reviewed the base products. I have like a whole box of LA Girl makeup in here, so I thought, you know, instead of a separate videos, I'm just gonna do one video. So I'm gonna start from the primer. This one is a LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. I did a separate review on this already. It's up on my channel if you guys wanna check it out. Guys, if you have texture skin, problematic, oily, like big pores, check this primer out. You can thank me later. My face is gonna be getting red like in a second because I have such a sensitive skin, so any touching and my skin goes red. See? What did I just say? Skin now, I can't feel any texture. Like I have extremely big pores on my nose and here. I can't feel. Okay, next thing I'm using is the Pro Matte High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation in medium beige. Now this foundation gives insane coverage, like one pump covers all face for me, and I'll probably still gonna have some left. Yeah, I did a separate video as well for this. I did a wear test. If you haven't seen, the video is in there. If you have oily skin, problematic, check it out. This foundation, wow. And if you have like a rosacea like I do and you need a bigger coverage, that's a foundation to go for, you guys. Plus it's matte and long wear, and because it's a HD foundation, it photographs really nicely with the flashlight. It doesn't go, you know, white on your face, you know, like with some foundations or setting powders, it tend to go white if you take a flash photography. So like all your body looks dark and then your face is like a ghost. Yeah, I really like this foundation. You know why? Like, not only it covers so perfectly all imperfections and, you know, discoloration, like I have this, you know, rosacea and all, it also looks very like natural. It still looks like my skin. It doesn't look, you know what I mean? How much product I still have left on my hand? This from one pump. Like, this is insane. Let's do the concealer. So I have this Pro Concealer HD High Definition and the color Porcelain. Added a little bit on the eyelids as well, just to prep later. Okay, for contouring, I'm gonna take the same concealer but in the shade Espresso. Alright, let's set this up. So I'm gonna use a brand new product for me. I haven't used this before. It's a LA Girl Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder. So it says translucent for all skin tones. Oh, we got a powder puff included in here. Okay. Usually I would set only like my T-zone and the area where I would get oiliest, but because it's a mask wearing season, I am setting full face. So it just prevents the rubbing of the mask, you know, the foundation rubbing off from a mask, I mean. You know what I mean, guys, right? How the part is done, I would just need to contour a little bit more and like highlight, but I don't have a contour powder or highlighter from LA Girl. I mean, I kinda already contoured, right? So I hope you don't mind. I'm gonna break a rule. I'm gonna use the Revolution Pro bronzer, sculpting bronzer. Also gonna apply a little bit of a highlighter. This one is by Revolution Glass Black Eyes Illuminator. Alright, let's do the eyes and then we can do your lips. So for the eyes, I have this eyeliner, all brand new by the way. This one is the Fine Line Long Lasting Fine Tip Liquid Eyeliner. Long lasting, I mean they put long lasting on everything. So far, it didn't disappoint me. And then I have these two pencils, so they call these Shockwave Neon Liners. So I have two shades in here, blue and purple basically. So I think I'm gonna do like a colorful eyeliner look with these, all brand new. So without any further ado, let's open up. Really excited about the eyeliner. I use eyeliner like daily, I think. Eyeliner pen. Oh yes, okay. Oh, you guys, look how tiny and precise the tip is. Oh my god, you guys, this is like perfect. Ooh, love eyeliner pens. I spoke about it in my previous videos a lot. If you're like beginner or you are struggling with applying the eyeliner, you have like shaky hand or something, always go for a pen because you're already used to having pen in your hand. So it's not gonna be as difficult. You're gonna be using this and then these two neon waves, how's it called? Shockwaves neon liners. Okay, let's see. Let's start from the purple. It's very, very creamy. You can sharpen those up as well. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, it's very, very, very creamy. So it means it's good for blending. Oh yeah, okay, we can create some looks with that. Alright, so I'm gonna start from the blue shade and I'm gonna go basically as an eyeliner close to the lash line. Later we're gonna smudge it up. Again, the eyeliner brush. What I'm doing, I'm gonna go slightly bit outer corner, kind of like a crease in here. See, in a smudging brush from Real Techniques. Gonna smudge this line. I'll take a little bit of the purple and go only the top. Always kind of like a flicker with it, just in here. I'm gonna smudge this part. Let's apply the eyeliner and then we can add more. Just gonna start from the flick part. Okay, the eyeliner is on. Let's fix this blue and purple because I want it to stand out a little bit more. Just outlining the liner. so with this blue, I'm gonna go on the lower lash line and then we're gonna smudge it. And then for waterline, I'm gonna go with this purple shade. Before I'm gonna apply the mascara, I'm gonna do exactly the same on the side and come back to you. Alright, both eyes are done. Let's do the mascara. Now this mascara, you guys, is insane. I did a separate video about it. Like, it makes lashes look extremely long. Like, extremely long. The only minus about it, well, minus, it's a super long wear and waterproof. That means it's harder to remove, so make sure you use appropriate your makeup remover. Use waterproof like mascara remover. I'm gonna quickly apply this mascara and then we can move to your lips. But talking about these eyeliners, actually these two shock waves, amazing, super creamy, very easy to use, very easy to blend. This one I wouldn't repurchase because, I mean, yes, I said it's a pen, it's easy to use and it's true. I just don't like, oh god, all the dust is here. I just don't like that it's like a spongy applicator rather than like a bristles, like, you know, any brush would have, because I prefer the bristles. Plus it's very short, so I was struggling with the length. I need kind of to keep it like this when drawing rather than sideways, and I always do my liner keeping it sideways rather than like this. I just don't like that it's spongy applicator and it's a bit too short the tip itself. Okay, let's apply the mascara. I went with a light layer, didn't go for like a lot of mascara. Like, this mascara can make your lashes look insane and long. The video's in there if you guys haven't seen it yet. No joking. I went for a very light layer this time, as I don't want my lashes to look super long, but this can be done with this mascara. Like, you can literally double the length of your lashes. Highly recommend this mascara, but only if you have patience to remove it because it takes longer. Don't take my word for granted. Okay, for the lips, I already did a review for this super bright pink lippy and I think that would be a bit too much in here, so I wanted to balance it, so I'm gonna use the lip liner only. So I have two shades. It's the LA Girl Lip Liner Natural Cream and the Move, I can't ever pronounce the name. So these two shades, I'm gonna use both. Outline with this and fill in with this shade. Okay, let's open this up because it's brand new. So far from these products that I tried, I wouldn't recommend the eyeliner. I think I thought it's gonna be way much better. It's not that product, but I wouldn't, you know, say guys, go get it. It's amazing, because it wouldn't be true. And I'm always honest with you guys. Let's see this natural, what's that? Natural cream color. Oh, like that is good actually. Oh, like it. Okay, and this move, never know how to pronounce this. Alright, looks very natural. Okay, so let's align with this natural cream shade. Light's very easy on the lips. I actually really like it. Really like the shade as well. Oh my god, you guys. The lips and a little bit of a shade. And the middle of the lip, I'm gonna go with this move. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is like matching my natural lip color so much. These lip liners feels very creamy, like you totally could use it, you know, as a lipstick as I'm doing now. I don't know why I didn't take lipstick. I took this super glitter one, but I don't know why I didn't take lipstick to match these liners. very creamy lip liners. Definitely recommend. That's a finished look. What do you guys think? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Out of all these products that I tried today, I would recommend this LA Girl Fine Liner. It's just, I didn't like the tip. Like, I'm all for pen liners, as I mentioned before. It's the easiest liner, especially if you're a beginner, the easiest to use. I just felt this a little bit too short, so you can't do this. You need to do this. That makes sense. And it's a sponge applicator, so yeah, I don't know. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. If you wanna go get it, it works perfectly. It didn't dry out or anything. It's just my personal preference, as I prefer more like a bristles liner, like a liner brush would be, rather than a spongy one. It's just for that reason. The rest products that I used in this video I absolutely love. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao!